mangoes. Her mom makes mango juice. It is delicious. This is my beach ball. It is round in shape. I throw it to my brother. My brother kicks it. My garden is big. It is very beautiful. I see flowers and fruits there. The flowers are red and yellow. I like red flowers. I see a bird. The bird is little and brown. It walks slowly. It flies quickly. I have an apple. It is red in color. It is on plate. I can eat it. It is good for me. Our school is big. It is beautiful. We have a flag in front of our school. We have a garden in our school too. Our school is clean. We help clean our school.